getting my water ready and showing the ingredients that I'm using and the measurements. And we're going to go from there. I'm excited. Okay, guys. So, I got my water done. It's nice and clear. And I have my ingredients. I decided to do this because I got a lot of lint in my hair and I like pick at it and it's so annoying. I don't know if you all can see this, but I use beeswax on my hair to twist it, and it has like a lot of lint on my hair. And so I never did this before, but I seen it on TikTok and decided to do it. And so being that I wanted to go ahead and do my hair, I thought this would be a perfect time to try to detox. So what they said on TikTok was to have apple cider and vinegar, lemon juice, baking soda, some came out a little bit, and some sea salt. So I have some up there. So I'm gonna get that, I'm gonna measure it out, show you guys, and then come back and do the rinse on my hair. Okay, YouTube, so I measured everything out. I have my sister over here helping me and my niece. She's grabbing my light. Y'all gonna see her in some of my videos. Okay, so she's gonna be like recording like the progress. I have to let it soak in for 30 minutes, so I'm gonna have her like take pictures on my hair like every 10 minutes, I guess. So that'll be like 3 pictures, and then I'll show like the end result. So I didn't follow the ingredients that I seen online. So I did a cup of apple cider vinegar, a half a cup of baking soda, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And it said to mix it in this water. So I already got my water ran. There it is right there. It's nice and clear. Okay, so I'm going to pour this in here. And it says that the baking soda is going to fizz up. I'm not sure. So let's see. Here we go.
You got balance, blue.
Okay, so it definitely is fizzing up. So now I'm about to stick my hair in, so stay tuned. All right, so I only did it for 10 minutes. My legs started hurting. The whole 30-minute thing, I'll have to get a chair or something, but this sink is like, I have a really deep sink here at my dad's, and oh my gosh, I was all on my toes and everything. But I did do 10 minutes, and my hair feels really light, and I don't know, it feels good. My hair was really dry, so I also feel like it moisturized it a little bit. I'm gonna wash it next. I've had my locks for, it'll be 4 years this month. So 4 years. So I've never done this before. So this is what my water looks like. It's really dirty. I thought it was actually gonna be worse than this. It is still bad because you can't see, it's not clear at all how it was. I do use beeswax a lot and edge control and all of that stuff, so that can be where all that gunk comes from. I did try and add baking soda like at the 6-minute mark to see if that did anything. It didn't do anything. So if anybody ever thinks of that, you don't have to do that because it didn't do anything for me, but if you want to try, feel free. So now I'm going to wash my hair and see if some of the lint came out of it. It definitely looks healthier because my hair was so dry. I haven't done my hair in 2 weeks. In 2 months. Usually I keep it up at least once a month. But yeah, so I'm going to wash it. Probably 2-strand or braid it so it can be crinkly. I haven't decided yet. But yeah, so I'll do that and then come back on here. Okay, I'm almost done washing. These are the products I use. I got it from Walmart. Real basic. I like almond butter and shea butter stuff. Because it helps with my hair. You know, just smooth it out or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna dry my hair and then I'm gonna start twisting it. But thank you for watching. If you want to see how I do my hair, I got another video for that on how I do two-hand twist and braid my hair to make it crinkly. But thank you. Y'all write your comments and stuff below. Did anybody else try it or whatever? Did you have any other extra things that I could do to help detox? That'd be great to hear from y'all. Okay, till next time.